Jai Hind. Honorable Governor of Nagaland, Sri La Ganeshan, Honorable Tourism Minister, Sri Temjem Imnalong, esteemed members of the Legislative Assembly, respected Dr. S.C. Jamir, former Governor and Chief Minister, distinguished civil and military dignitaries, respected guests, participants, and dear friends. It is both an honor and privilege for me to stand before you this evening to express my gratitude on behalf of Spear Corps and the entire organizing team of Fusion of Bands Season 2. At the very outset, I extend my deepest gratitude to our esteemed Governor, Sri La Ganeshan, for gracing this occasion with his presence. Sir, your unwavering support and inspiring leadership have always been a guiding force for us. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment in fostering the unity, culture, and harmony in the state of Nagaland. We are truly grateful for your encouragement and blessings. I also extend my gratitude to the Honorable Tourism Minister, Sri Temjem Imna Along, for his continued commitment in promoting art, music, and cultural initiatives that bring communities together. Sir, your enthusiastic leadership has been instrumental in making Nagaland a hub of talent and creativity. Your presence here today reaffirms your dedication to foster cultural exchange and strengthening bonds amongst people. Let me also take this opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation to the former Governor and Chief Minister, Dr. S.C. Jamir, for honoring us with his esteemed presence. Sir, your immense contribution to the state and your constant encouragement for such initiatives are truly inspiring. Your support has always been invaluable in furthering the spirit of unity and artistic expressions. We are also blessed to have amongst us distinguished guests, senior government officials, and esteemed civil dignitaries, including the renowned jury, Sri Temjem Member, the Member of Legislative Assembly. Your presence enriches this evening and reflects the collective commitment to celebrate our shared heritage and talent. Events like these thrive because of visionary leaders and officials like you who believe in the power of culture and unity. A special mention also to all officers and personnel who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make Fusion of the Band Season 2 a grand success. The armed forces stand not just as defenders of our nation, but also as champions of community engagement, harmony, and cultural exchange. Your dedication, both in service and in organizing such remarkable events, is commendable. I also want to make a special mention about the Dorians, particularly Miss Imli Kokla Longchar and Mr. Imnayadan, who have worked relentlessly with uniformed personnels in putting up this stupendous show under the aegis of Operation Sadbhavna. And last, but certainly not the least, to all of you wonderful audience, a big thank you for your energy, enthusiasm, and encouragement. My special compliments to all the children too. Your support is what makes events like this truly special. Music has the power to unite, to inspire, and to uplift, and your presence here tonight embodies that spirit. I hope that you all have enjoyed this remarkable evening. Today, let us carry forward the spirit of camaraderie, unity, and our shared love for music and culture. May this event continue to serve as a bridge that strengthens our bonds and fosters deeper connections. Thank you and Jai Hind.
It is both an honor and delight to be here today for the grand final of Fusion of the Bands Season 2, an initiative under Operation Sadbhavana. I would like to congratulate the General Officer Commanding of the three corps, Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Pendarkar, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal, Yuddha Seva Medal, and the entire Spare Corps fraternity for conceptualizing and hosting this remarkable platform. Your commitment to empowering the youth of Nagaland through cultural and artistic expression is truly commendable. This event not only celebrates talent but also strengthens the bonds of unity which lies at the heart of our nation's ethos. Nagaland is a myriad of cultures, tradition, and artistic heritage, and has always been a land of diversity. Today, we witness a beautiful future where the musical passion of Naga artists converges with the universal appeal of Hindi music. This energy is a proof to India's unity in diversity. Through your melodies and rhythms, you are not just showcasing your God gifted talents, but you are promoting harmony that transcends barriers and resonates with the soul of our nation. In a multicultural country like ours, Hindi is more than a medium of communication. It is a bridge that conceals hearts and minds. It plays a pivotal role in fostering national integration. It is a cord that unites our people from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Nagaland. By embracing Hindi alongside our varied local dialects, we are strengthening this unity. Let me clarify, promoting Hindi is not about overshadowing local dialects and local culture, but about creating an additional channel to express our shared identity as Indians. When young artists like you sing in Hindi, you amplify the message that diversity and unity can coexist, enriching our collective national pride. मैंने सोचा ये तो मिलिट्री लोग है, ये बैंड परफॉर्मेंस है, ये पथसंचलन के लिए मार्च पास्ट के लिए कुछ सांस है, अनेकता में एकता, हिंदू की विशेषता, कदम कदम को बढ़ा दे चल वैसा। फिर अभी एक माँ तुम्हें सलाम, ताई मन्ने वड़क्कम, दिस अब्दुल रहमान. Those songs will be sung. I was expecting that. But later I have come to understand our Nagaland people, those who have performed here, though I have mentioned that they sung in Hindi, but the language is not that, only the music is that. Whether they sang in Hindi or in other language, nobody bothers. But what is the purpose is, now the Nagaland people, we are very much, we can compete with the other nation. Suppose there is a competition between the West and the Northeast. Our Northeast people will shine more than the Western people as far as this music is concerned. And to show that only this program is arranged, this is what I think. Once again, I congratulate the Spear Corps of Indian Army for their visionary efforts under Operation Sadbhavana. Initiatives like these not only nurture talents, but also promotes national unity and deepen the bond between the armed forces and civilian communities, reinforcing our shared commitment to peace and progress. I very much remember last year also I attended the program. Last year the program was good. This year the program is better. So I congratulate the people, those who organized this program. Let us remember that a program like today echoes the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shreshtha Bharat. That the melodies of our Naga youth remind us that our strength lies in standing together as one nation, united by respect, creativity, and mutual understanding. Thank you and best wishes to all the participants. Jai Hind!
Nagaland TV, Soap Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.